Sir. Yeah. Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Very
afternoon.
happy to have you here, sir. Sir, we are going to have an interview just about the problems that the teachers and students are facing during this crisis. Just before we start, I'd like a brief introduction about you and your coaching institute, sir.
My name is Sunil Balani. I teach physics, and we have an institute that is named Q3 classes. The Super 30 faculties of chemistry and mathematics, they collaborate with us, and we have around 100 students in different batches. We do a kind of, personalized coaching kind of a thing. Like we do very advanced, we take very limited
Yeah.
number of people in that. Instead of taking everybody in that course, we offer courses for JEE mains, and we take select candidates in advance so that we can specifically focus on them to get better results. So
Yeah. Yeah. That's great to hear, sir. That's great to hear. So, beginning, sir, I'll ask you a basic question like, do you think this pandemic has brought a shift in the working of coaching market? And if yes, how, sir?
indeed, it has. The main thing that it has opened the avenue for students to get an access to online coaching and the content that is available there.
Yes.
Previously, the student was too engrossed in going to school, coming back from there, going to his coaching classes, and he was kind of limited to his approach in what his coaching center teaches him. But this has kind of, thrown everything open where he goes for his classes online, and simultaneously he's getting an access to a lot of content, and he really is, kind of surprised to see that a lot of things are available to him for free. Best of coachings are available for
Yeah.
free. So actually that opens his avenue a lot. Okay, moreover, besides that, his commutation time is reduced. Moreover,
Right.
he gets to compare now. Previously, you will, if a person goes to an X institute, he's exposed only to those three faculties, and then he carries this notion that these are the best faculties in world. Okay, but when he is actually open to an online platform, he gets information from all the sites, so he takes an informed
Yes.
decision on the whole
Yes.
thing.
Totally agree. Totally
So it's
agree.
good for students.
And what about the teachers, sir?
For teachers also, it is good, but the only problem as a teacher I face is I don't get to see the response of the students. So I never know whether they are understanding or not understanding, whether some of them
Okay.
are facing some kind of an issue with the video or audio that I don't know. So later on that when the class is over, then we come to know, we get messages, sir, mera audio nahi tha. All the, but that we have sorted out in the kind that with the tie-up we have with the Venue All, there is a
Yeah.
facility to put the recorded videos on. So what we do is our live lectures, when we finish, or the recordings of that, we feed on the YouTube, and then they are subsequently fed on through the Venue All platform, so that if a person has missed on something, he can see it again, he can revise it
Yeah.
if there are
Yeah.
problems in concept, so that he wouldn't have got. So all the way, a student point of view, it is a win-win situation. From teacher's
Yes.
perspective, the problem is you as a teacher never know that whether a student is there or not there, whether he's getting his facial expressions. And
Yeah.
because managing, let us say, 40 students in a batch is kind of a challenge. Like, most of them have their microphones muted, though we tell them if you face any problem, please unmute and ask. But then they are hesitant to ask because that creates a kind of commotion. So that
Yes. Yes.
to everything there is a pros and a con. So that is a little bit of shift. Otherwise, I don't see there's much of problem there. I like it personally.
Okay. Okay, sir. That's
Maybe.
good to hear. So, how do you take assessments through online mode, and how do you validate the same, sir?
Assessment, actually, we have this, as you know, that we are associated with you also. We have this test platform. We make the test, put it on the line, put online tests there, and when the students attempt those tests, we get their score, we get that analysis, and we come to know how they're performing. Because that pen writing thing, that offline mode, is as it is not useful except for the boards, they're not writing any exam in that mode.
Yes.
So anyway, last year
Yes.
also, when there was no pandemic and everything was just hunky-dory. Last year also we were doing the same, like all advanced tests are online. So we have a weekly test. Every Sunday we have a test of subject, and every month end we have a 3 subject test, that is full test. So that way we do it throughout the year, whether there is, so now it will be more regularized, because even the offline test, that is board pattern test, also will have to be conducted in this mode. And the students will be asked to write on their paper and then scan that, or maybe take the photograph of that and send it
Okay,
to us.
okay, okay.
And we see that, because writing is an essential part, especially in the board.
Yes.
So that getting to an answer is one thing, and knowing that thing in derivation part is another thing. So that also is to be taken care of. But then there is time for that, because we are just into June and we have a lot of time available. So we are not presently stressing on that, but this is what is the modus operandi we will be doing in this particular mode. We'll be asking them to write on paper and send that paper across to us in the digital form.
That's great to hear, sir. That's great to hear. One more question regarding students, sir. Considering the pressure, the mental and pressure, emotional pressure, sir, how do you think the students are taking it? Like, any advice from a teacher like you to the students? Like, how should they tackle these obstacles during such crisis?
Actually, your voice got cut in between, so I could not get. Could you kindly repeat
I'm
the
sorry.
question?
Considering the pressure, how do you make sure that the students are mentally healthy? Like, any advice from you, sir, for the students, how to keep on going to achieve their dreams?
See, as far as the, the fear is there in everybody's mind. Everybody is concerned about not getting this disease for various, the disease in itself may not be lethal to a young person, but then there are a lot of problems associated with it. So they should try to, like, pressure is there on everybody, more than themselves. They are worried about the
Yes.
parents, the grandparents. So the pressure is there. But then if something is unavoidable, then they should first of all take care of the proper hygiene, and whatever wash hand, hand wash, everything they should do. But they should not get too much concerned, in the sense that they should not come in the way of their study, that mentally they should not have a blockade on this. So they should take it like, I personally think that it's a blessing in disguise as far as the student fraternity is concerned. Like, see, previously dropper would have got an advantage over the fresher. But now with 4 months
Yes.
of delay,
Everyone has
now
got.
when, yeah, everybody will come equal, because a fresher
Yes.
who writes examination in March, he's subjected to an exam in April and May. Whereas a dropper has taken a year drop. So these guys also got 4 months now to prepare it on them. So the whole world is facing this problem. We are not immune to that. So they should take it in the stride, and they should try to do, they should do a physical thing also, like in the morning when there is a little pollution, they should go on the roof, do a little bit of exercise, yoga, something. So they keep physically fit, and in life, if something is unavoidable, you rather enjoy it. Like, what more can be said of
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes. Fair point. Fair points. Sir, coming on to the few last questions, sir. Can you just briefly tell us how Vinual helps you, other than if you have used other platforms? How is Vinual different from the others? How does it help you?
First of all, Renewal offers me customized solution. That is the main thing, because many players come to us that we offer you this, but they have a problem, in the sense they are kind of, there is a fixed solution that is available, but here we get a kind of customized solution. If I have a problem, and if I call up that this is the problem, then there is a solution for that problem. That is the best part I like about Renewal. First. Second, uh, there is always a room for improvement. It is always the largest room in the house. So the database part, I always request to everybody in Renewal that I speak to, that they have to work on the database, and they promise me they will do that. That is the only area that they need to improve. Otherwise, technology-wise, it is great, because most of the other players, what I see that they either don't have a database, they offer us services. So that we actually know what is important for us is we should be able to conduct tests. We should be able to, coordinate things with the help of that. So that is the main area that otherwise many facilities that Renewal has given us in the platform are not useful to us, because we being a small institute, fees collection, attendance and all that is not used. Though they have taken this initiative and done, but uh, for me personally, it is the kind of customized solutions that I get for the service that I would not have got with others. That is the thing that drives me towards Renewal.
That's great to hear, sir. Thank you, sir. So one last question: if you wanted to describe Vinual in one word, sir, what would it be?
Mm, excellent, but they can rise further. There is
Okay.
room. Yeah, they
Okay.
should attempt to do things. There's always, they should try to do better than what they're doing, but I just wish them luck and hope they do much better than what they're already doing good, but they should do better than those, especially on the database part, they should work.
Yes, sir. Noted, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. It was great having you, sir. So thanks a lot, sir. And this will help a lot of students and faculty members. Sir.
Thank you
Thanks
very
a lot, sir.
much.
Thank you, sir.